About 11:15, so let's update the track. The winter storm on the way. Ben, it's going to start as snow or rain?
It's going to start as snow, and then it'll transition to rain for areas off to the south. It's really just a mixed bag around the area, and all depends on your location, what you're going to get, and that's why we're going to really spend some time on the maps here in just a moment. We do have a weather impact alert day for tomorrow with the mix of snow, rain to the south. May want to limit your travel tomorrow. Just kind of look out the window tomorrow morning, see if your street is kind of slushy. Maybe it's just wet. Our temperatures are going to be at or above freezing through most of this event, so we're not talking about the ice and the sleet like the last storm system that we had a little over a month ago, but we still have our second winter storm warning of the winter season. So we've got 3 storms that we're going to have over the next week. Storm number 1, of course, is tomorrow with the snow and the rain off to the south. System number 2 comes right in behind that one Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night. That's a chilly rain. And then system number 3, it could be our wettest one on Saturday, and then that could transition to a little bit of snow on Sunday. Eventually leading to some flooding concerns for most of the area by later this week. Could have some really rising rivers, creeks, and streams. Our latest snowfall potential, some of the weather data here shows kind of the bullseye around Elizabethtown into the east down the Bluegrass Parkway out towards Lexington. You go farther north, you're going to run into lower snow mounts. You go south, you're looking at rain south of the Bluegrass and Western Kentucky Parkways. So where we see that zone of heavier snow, that's where we have the winter storm warning in this dark blue area. That is Interstate 64, 71, down to the Bluegrass and Western Kentucky Parkways. That's where we could see 3 to 5 inches of snowfall. Now, it might not be on the ground all day long. I think the morning is when we're going to have the biggest issues with some slushy and slick roads out there. By the afternoon, we might see a lot of melting going on with above freezing temperatures. Surrounding the winter storm warning is less than 2 inches of snow in the light purple area. That's the winter weather advisory. Farther south, 1 to 2 inches of rain for Hart, Greene, Taylor, Adair counties. Could see some flooding down that way in some lowland areas and some of the rivers. Starting to see that precip fill in a little bit more off to the southwest. You can see initially on that leading edge might get a little of that rain snow mix. It's going to enter areas off to the south first around Litchfield, Munfordville, Campbellsville, and then transition to just rain against south of Hardin County. So Munfordville, Campbellsville, Greensburg, and into Adair County and Columbia, Kentucky. You guys primarily rain with this system. North, we're looking at some of that accumulating snow potential with temperatures getting above freezing in the afternoon. That rain snow line starts to drift to the north. So we're going to, again, see some melting throughout the day. And that's why I say some slushy accumulations with these above freezing temperatures. Into the nighttime, that's around 9-10 p.m. tomorrow night, starting to see this wind down and taper off to the east, and then we are left with just a brief window of some dry time Wednesday, and then bam, we've got some more heavy rainfall on the way for Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night. And so just a messy weather pattern overall. So we've got a dry Thursday, and Valentine's Day, at least we'll have some sunshine for you. But then Saturday rolls around, the next storm system brings in rain, possibly some heavy rainfall, but we're not expecting severe weather with it. On the backside of that system, cold air moves in, could see a little period of some light snow on Sunday. So again, just a very, very active and busy extended forecast here for us. Mid to upper 30s out there, so we are above freezing. The pavement temperatures are above freezing for now as well. So there will be some melting, but watch out for some of those snowy impacts out the door tomorrow morning, all above freezing across the area. Low temperatures will be near freezing overnight with that rain snow mix, and highs tomorrow in the mid 30s. So again, that's key that we're above freezing tomorrow. That'll help things out on the roads. We're looking at rain Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night. We get a 2-day break there Thursday, Friday before the weekend system brings rain and possibly a little snow.